Hello and welcome! In today's video, I will guide you through the process of creating a bolt connection family in Autodesk Revit. This involves creating the nut, bolt and washer as a separate family, linking their properties with a lookup table and combining them into one complete bolt connection. Let's get started. We will begin with the nut family. Open the metric generic model family, switch to the reference level and create an hexagonal polygon using the extrusion tool. Adjust the size of the polygon to make it smaller. Add dimensions to define the geometry. Equalize the dimensions and label them. The width across flats will be labeled as S. The thickness of the nut will be labeled as M. Finally, adjust one dimension to make it look more realistic. Keep the geometry simple to avoid performance issues when multiple bolts are used in the model. Save the nut family and we are ready to move to the next step. Next, let's create the bolt family. Start another metric generic model family, go to the top view and create the hexagonal part of the bolt using the extrusion tool. Add dimensions and label them. The first dimension will be labeled as S, the width. The thickness of the hexagonal part will be labeled as K. Add a cylindrical extrusion for the bolt shaft. Divide the start into two parts to represent the threaded and unthreaded section. Label dimensions. The diameter will be D, the length of the bolt will be L, and the threaded length will be P. Finally, add reference planes for the unthreaded and threaded parts and attach the corresponding extrusion elements. Adjust the size of the hexagonal part to fit proportionally. Save the bolt family and we will move to the next step. Now let's create the washer family. Open another metric generic model family. In the top view, draw a cylinder with an opening in the center using the extrusion tool. Label dimensions. The inner diameter will be ID, the outer diameter will be OD, and the thickness will be TH. Now save the washer family as a separate file. And here we are. Now it's time to combine all the components into the bolt connection family. Open a new metric generic model family, load the nut, bolt and washer families into this family. The next step is to make the bolt connection dynamic. Let's link the components with a lookup table. Create a lookup table that includes the following columns: bolt diameter, bolt length, threaded length, hexagonal part dimension, washer dimension, and nut dimensions. Now create the properties to link them with the properties of loaded families. Add the text property to the bolt connection family. Link these properties with the corresponding values in the lookup table. Write the formula to ensure the bolt connection adjusts dynamically based on the selected size. To improve visibility, assign a different materials to the threaded part of the bolt. Now let's fine-tune the model. Add reference planes to position all the components accurately. One for the washer thickness, one for the bolt length, one for the thread pitch. Add an offset for the bolt equal to the washer thickness to ensure proper alignment. And that's it. You now have a fully functional bolt connection family in Autodesk Revit. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Revit tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you next time.